Hi everybody, this is Anand again, who is speaking on how to heal disorders without investment or without any medicine, any type of medicine. Last video, I told what are the causes of the disorders. This is due to indigestion and accumulation. Waste will be accumulated. Because of that, we get disorders, right? So today I'm going to explain on 5 reasons for diseases or disorders. Very, very important. Please kindly take a note of it. Many people are puzzled, like when they get a disorder, immediately they go to the doctor or they go to some alternate treatment or take any alternate medicines like homeopathy, right, or Ayurveda or acupuncture, anything they'll take without knowing what is the reason for the disease, the root cause. You have to know first of all. Very, very important. Knowing the root cause. If you don't know the root cause, I will tell you the method how to heal. So, indigestion is the cause, I told you. So, what will happen when there is an indigestion? So when there is an indigestion, what will happen is normal digestion will be like this, right? Food is converted into glucose in the mouth, that goes to the stomach as complex carbohydrate. From there it enters the small intestine. It is full digestion takes place in the small intestine. Many people are confused whether it is in the stomach or small intestine. Actually it's in the small intestine, and stomach is acting like a mixer. The food, it will mix properly and send it to the small intestine. Small intestine will in turn send the nutrients. What are meant by nutrients are nothing but vitamins and minerals. Send the vitamins and minerals into the bloodstream, which is very, very important. Bloodstream. So when there is when this is proper digestion, so these vitamins and minerals will go to each cell of the body, each and every cell of the body. It consumes, the cell consumes, and the waste will be excreted from the cell into the blood, and from the blood stream it goes to the kidney or the large intestine and will go as a waste outside. This is what is happening inside the body for a normal person. Now, if there is an indigestion, which means that small intestine is not able to send the nutrients to the bloodstream. For example, you eat some food without calcium, right? What happens after some time? This food is undigested, and because there is a loss of calcium. So when it enters the bloodstream doesn't contain calcium, right? I'll give an example. For example, if suppose I will tell you the reasons for the 5 reasons for the diseases. Number one, very, very important. Please kindly take a note of it. That's because many people don't know what is actually this. Why is this problem happening in the body? right? The first one is bad item circulating in the blood. What is meant by an item? Item, I am talking about the vitamins and minerals. A bad vitamin or a bad item because of your food style. Item, I am referring to vitamins and mineral, right? Or bad nutrient. You can call as it a bad nutrient. Bad item circulating in blood. For example, if calcium or magnesium in the bloodstream is bad because of some reasons. Okay, what will happen when there is some problem in an organ? The body automatically takes the magnesium or calcium from the blood because that organ requires calcium and magnesium, for example. Okay, so it will take the calcium and magnesium from the blood and it has to pour on the organ. So the organ will take the calcium and magnesium and it will work properly. This is for a normal body. But when there is a deficiency or when there is when the item is bad, what will happen is body will think whether we have to give the organ. Body will always think that it should give good items to the organs. It will never give any bad items to the organs. Okay, it will give all the good nutrients. All the bad items will be flowing inside the bloodstream. You see what is happening now. So when the magnesium or calcium is bad, the organ is not able to take it from the blood, hence the organ is diseased. Got what I'm saying? So what is your duty there? You have to the calcium and magnesium that goes into the bloodstream should be good. You have to take care of that calcium and magnesium. How to do that? No need to break your head. No need to think how can I make calcium and magnesium good? No need at all. Okay. So this bloodstream is doing everything. Okay. Just like a milkman going and giving milk to all the houses. This bloodstream is going to give the good nutrients to all the organs and cells of the body. If we don't get milk from the milk person on particular day, we won't be able to do anything. We won't be able to make a curd or we won't be able to make some coffee or tea or anything. The same thing is here. So bad items circulating in blood. So if you leave this, what will happen is the item will be missing. Right? That is the second reason. Either bad item circulating in blood may be the one of the reasons for the disorders. Next, if you leave that untreated, then next is item missing in the blood at all. There is no calcium at all in the body. When these two items, when the item is bad, it will give rise to item missing. Now, when you go on proceeding for another 1 year or 2 years without that item, maybe a calcium or magnesium or potassium or anything in the body, phosphorus, sodium, everything is needed in the body at a percentage level is there. So when item is missing in the body for quite long, what will happen is amount of liters of blood is decreased. The volume of blood is decreased. You see, imagine what is going to this is the third reason. That's the reason. 5 liters of blood should be there in the body. But what will happen if you have 4 liters of blood in the body? Is where you get white blood cells higher or lower, or red blood cells higher or lower. You take the CBC count and check. When you have blood count, blood liters or liters of volume of blood, if it is 4 and down, what will happen to the body? You see, imagine the white blood cells will decrease or increase, red blood cells will increase or decrease, right? All the other parameters related to white blood cells and red blood cells will have variations here and there. So if amount of liters is decrease has decreased, and you again proceed for another 2 3 years or 1 year or 2 year, what will happen is intelligence of organs is lost. What do you mean by intelligence of organs is lost? I told you the body will give good nutrients to the organs. Now, when the amount of blood is decreased, what will happen is the body of the organ, the blood, the body doesn't know how to deal with these nutrients, what to do, where to send, how to send, whether to send good or bad. This is intelligence. If the intelligence is lost, you can imagine for another 2 3 years, intelligence is lost, you don't know what to do. What will happen? Disturbed mind. Very, very related. Some people, even if many people are talking in videos and papers, you see the media and all, they are talking about mind, how to keep your mind calm and cool. They just listen to the video and go away. They are not worried because today's busy world. But 4 reasons is giving rise to the 5th reason, disturbed mind. So when you keep the mind and when you keep the amount of liters of blood to the in the balanced level, you are out of the disorder, right? So why do I go for medicines? Why do I pay lakhs and lakhs? So what you have to do? Make the item good. Let the amount of and then the volume of liters of blood automatically will be balanced. Intelligence of organs will come back. Mind will not be disturbed and you don't have any disorders. You see? This is the secret I'm telling you. Please learn this. This is very important. So what is the main aim for the solution of diseases? Is nothing but curing the blood instead of curing the organs. If you have a stomach ulcer, you have to cure the blood. If you have a fatty liver, you have to cure the blood. If your vision is lost, you have to keep your blood pure. Okay, if you have kidney issues, if you have a kidney stone, keep your blood well balanced with nutrients. That is the aim. So treatment is for the body again, because the blood goes to the entire cell. So what and all the diseases in one organ and other, if you have 2 or 3 disorders, all the disorders will be healed. Why do you go for separate? I am having a sugar, I take a sugar medicines. I have a BP, I take a BP medicine. I am a heart patient, I am taking a heart medicines. I am a kidney patient, I am a kidney medicine. I take kidney medicines. Why? You give one treatment to the body, all the disorders will be gone. So what is the main, what you have to do? The only solution is the diet. You go anywhere, the diet, I'll tell you. The doctor has told me take 20 mc of insulin per day. Okay, or 30 insulin per day, right? Without knowing what is the reason, why should I take? You have to think all these things. Make your blood pure. Gone. Everything is gone. Very, very, very important is curing the blood, curing the blood, curing the blood, nothing else. So, what should we do for that? Don't worry on what to eat. You have to worry about how to eat. Double quotes. How to eat, double quotes. Not what to eat. I get some disorders, so what I do immediately, I stop everything. I just take only salads. I take only little bit of rice or just a wheat product. Is it going to create? Is it going to? Are you going to get a solution for this? I say no. If you eat potato, you should know how to eat potato. When a potato is eaten, boiled and eaten, good for health. When you put it in a kadai, the gas will rise. Just cook and eat. Or grate it raw and put it in a salad and eat. Good to health. Who told you not to eat potato? It's not like that. Eating habits you have to follow, not what food you eat. If you eat, there are a lot of habits you have to develop, which I will tell you all the habits of eating, sleeping, okay, intake of water, how to get enough oxygen, how to get enough oxygen, how to do breathing, how to do exercises. These 5 elements is needed for you. Who is doing all these 5 elements? Are anybody doing it? Including me, I'm telling you. Including me. But with experience, I got to know a lot of solutions. To some extent, I am maintaining those things without medicines. You see, if I would have died 3 years before, if I would not known about this, because my body, you will never imagine liver, diabetes, impure blood, kidney enlargement. Okay, where is this? That is there will be a nerve that will be passing from the liver to the esophagus. Okay, so you see what would happen to the body if I keep thinking something else of that only. What if I don't maintain the item in the body, good nutrient in the body? Volume of liters of blood is lost. So I came to think about this. That's why I'm advising you. Please do this, follow this. Nothing else. Okay? So these 5 reasons is bad item circulating in the blood, item missing in the blood, amount of liters of blood is decreased, intelligence of organs is lost, and finally the disturbed mind. So with this I'll conclude this, because these are the solutions for the problems. Next coming videos I'll tell you how to deal with disorders one by one. You're thinking of disorders, there is no disorder at all. Body will automatically take care. Anybody knows that? Do you know? Anybody know that body will take care of itself? When something is happening in the body, it will automatically cure itself. But we have to be with little patience. Of course, for emergencies we have to go to the doctors or somewhere else. But when this problem is very serious, you have to think about it. What should you do? What should we have to do? How to what is the diet? What is the diet that I have to take? What is the what are the exercises that I have to do? How to breathe? How to sleep? How to drink water? How to eat food? All these 5 elements, right? When you follow them, there's nothing in the body you should not worry about. Any disorders, there's nothing to worry about. Okay, with this, I'll close the video. I'll meet in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.